Hello everyone, welcome to Bambathaka Manxiza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka ku-Smoke and Mirrors kusukela namhlanje ngomhla ka-24 February 2025 kuya ngolesihlanu mhla ka-28 February 2025. Namhlanje ngomsombuluko mhla ka-24 February 2025, uNomeva embarks on a journey with her spiritual paraphernalia, initiating a spiritual war against Ngcuka with a bold first strike. Meanwhile, Kaisa struggles to adjust to her new school. NgoLwesibili mhla 25 February 2025, uMartha is unveiled by Ronnie's sudden appearance in her and Jackson's life, especially when he decides to invest in their resorts projects, bringing their past into the present. NgoLwesithathu mhla 26 February 2025, uThandiswa is astonished by appearance of the spirits of Xoliswa and Cindy, who appears to help her against Tutu's tooth-claiming advance. NgoLwesine mhla 27 February 2025, Ngcuka reveals that he is Nomeva's son that she abandoned. Martha reveals the thing that Ronnie did to her and why she's scared to get him arrested. NgoLwesihlanu mhla 28 February 2025, Ngcuka zombifies Nomeva, make her write a note explaining her absence, and force her to live with him. Thandiswa tries to make her way back to Emnyameni, supported by Xoliswa and Cindy. Ke bamba lapho ungakhohlwa ucinize notification button, ukusubscribe namasho umbono wakho. Bye.